Hi and welcome to my place. More requests for beach vibe designs, so I'm here to help. I love going to the beach, and you know there's a treasure trove of stuff waiting for us artistic people to create floral magic. This design is one of my favorites, and we are going to start off today with a little craft project. Look at these gorgeous flowers that I have made out of beautiful shells. I bought these in packs that were all mixed, so there were yellows and apricots and lemons and all of these gorgeous pinks and lavenders and mauves, and they are so easy, and I had such great fun creating these. Let me share how easy it is. First thing is to get a pearl, and I went with the pearls as the inside of my flower because I sort of always associate pearls, oysters, shells, and I'm sure that there are other shells that are infected with a little bit of sand that makes them go in there, and all of a sudden, like magic, a pearl is created. Getting a piece of wire through the holes where the pearl hole, and then just turning that down and around and pinching that firmly and making sure that these are as straight as you can. From there, it's just a matter of getting your shells, hot glue gun. This is how I did it. Oh, please don't do, oh, there we are. Oh, I didn't mean that much glue. You only need a little bit of glue. And you also have to remember that these are kind of delicate. So you just put the pearl in and you can move that out to suit, but that's going to be your first petal. Letting that just leave it once it's glued into place, and then just continuously just going around and gluing more leaves as you go to build up a picture or your impression of a flower. And then when I got to the side bits with just a little bit of glue there, being careful that that doesn't run and get onto your hands, and then just putting that on there and holding it until it sets, and keep going until you have the flower that you desire and the size that you want. Then once you have done that, what I like to do is to take it to another level, is to just use those wire prongs, and using a flower stem that you could have thrown into the bin, and now we have a beautiful flower in which to create gorgeousness from. So I will just put those into there and that to one side, and let's look at containers. When I think of the beach, I always think of rattan and cane, and this bread basket is the most useless thing because it doesn't hold a French stick. In fact, it doesn't hold very much, except it's a great base for a flower arrangement. So I've got my beautiful shell rosy flowers here. I've got a couple of succulents because succulents grow up the beach. That's why I thought of them. And then for into the base of my container here, I've just got all of these lovely little hydrangea heads, and all I'm going to do, I'm not even using any foam at all. I'm just going to place these down the length, or just fill the cavity with these gorgeous lovely little hydrangea heads. And I'm just thinking I'm getting a bit too wide there, so I'll bring those in. And you could go out, if you've got hydrangeas growing near where you're living, just pick them and bring them in and just plonk those down in. And I don't like that leaf going like that, so I'm just going to shift that around there. So I just want this lovely little cloud of green in which to position my flowers. And I do get lots of requests from people saying, well, if you don't have any floral foam, what can you use? And chicken mesh is always very handy to use, but if you don't have that, sometimes just getting a nice low container, even that looks pretty gorgeous as it is. Now, with these, I just have left the wires on, and I'm just going to plonk those down and in amongst the hydrangeas just to sit into there like so. And then because I've got the pinky tones here, which has got the little pinky tones on the tips of the hydrangeas, it's just now a matter of bringing these in, down in amongst. I'm not doing anything neat and tidy. I just wanted something that was just relaxed and informal. This on a dining table with a glass of rosé and some chips and dips at night could be lovely, or it could be on a coffee table, it could be on a sideboard, but that's a really quick and easy, pretty much no cost, visually exciting little arrangement if you're looking for something to enhance your beach house. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.